yeast and everybody huddled to the barriers, hoping for a better view, waiting for the floats to come through and leave a trail of confetti in their wake. Oh, on 1,000 roads we are coming home. Yellow streamers on the ground and blue balloons are floating overhead like restless satellites, focused on the concrete and straying down the side streets at the mercy of the temperamental breeze. Oh, on 1,000 roads we are coming home. On familiar roads we are coming home. Every face was to the sky, a small town on a summer day to waste away with no better plan than to sit and watch a stray balloon, if only for an afternoon, and then continue on their way another day. On 1,000 roads we're coming home. On familiar roads we are coming home. Flutter by, butterfly, into the sky, till you're out of sight. And I won't run, I won't fight. Oh, oh, I've got my feet on the ground. Little bird, say the word. I will be there, I I will be there with my hands held high, and I will reach to the sky. Oh, oh, I've got my feet on the ground. Little bee, follow me into the field where I clipped your wings, and I will wait for your sting. Oh, oh, I've got my feet on the ground. Inside every mind, if you look, you will find there's a child who never grew old, who sings to the trees like nobody can see, with a fire that never went cold. He looks up to the stars and the moon and at Mars and the endless expanse of the sky. Devoid of all doubt, just a question of how to climb up to the heavens and fly. But time is advancing, a drip then a flood. He's adrift while you're stuck on the shore. And he sails away to the depths of our brains, and we can't seem to dream anymore. With the passing of days, we get lost in the maze that we built out of habit and fear. The longer we run, the more lost we become as the days disappear into years. When we're sleeping in bed, the child in our head is reminding us how to break out. But the moment we wake, he just up and escapes, and we're back to the fear and the doubt. But the answer's inside us, it never did leave. We just never believed it before. Well, I'm done with the maze for the rest of my days. I'm not wasting my dreams anymore. No, I'm not wasting my dreams anymore. The tide is on the brink of extinction. The sky is on the verge of collapse. The birds and the trees all are falling like leaves. The memories are floating away. Cabins on the shore are abandoned. The streets are just a river of dust. The ships on the bay all go sailing